Hi guys, um, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to see old movies and to see old or new movies. Yeah, going to there we go. Just follow that movie date center. Well, it's really good to see like 5,000 movies or 20,000. Wait, here we have 6,000 here and 2,000 actions, drama, and music movies. We have family movies too. It's real good and I like it. Adventures, family, musical. Sorry about that. Yeah. Well, I like family movies, so let's go on that. See, Alice. Is that? Wait a minute. Is that the first one? Hey. Okay. Well, hmm, I think I'm going to see that today because I never saw that. Alice. This is real good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Nah. Nah. Hmm. Yikes. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. See ya.